In September of 2009, I became the victim of violent crime through domestic violence. I definitely had a pretty naive view of how the system worked before I became involved in it. I was very surprised when he was released in 10 months due to good time allocation, when I had no notification of his parole.
Right now, the rights of the accused take precedence over the rights of victims. And although the rights of the accused are very important, crime victims' rights are equally important.
My experience with the criminal justice system is a lot of times they don't have a say or they don't have a voice. And so they kind of lose their power when they become a victim.
Marsy's Law is a constitutional amendment that will guarantee victims have equal rights and protections in the state of Iowa.
We have good laws for crime victims now in the Code of Iowa, but Marsy's Law is different because it's a constitutional amendment and it adds a sense of permanency to the rights for crime victims.
Everybody's a potential victim of crime. There's nobody whose bank account is big enough or zip code is good enough that you don't have to worry about ever being the victim of a crime. I think one of the good things about Marsy's Law is it tells the victim of a crime, you matter.
Marsy's Law is not a Democratic issue, it's not a Republican issue. Marsy's Law is purely about protecting crime victims in Iowa.